Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. I'm Kris. Today we are unboxing my fall FabFitFun box. And I gotta say, I think a lot of my viewers here are in my same age bracket, and the one nice thing about menopause related foggy brain is I don't remember what I picked, so it's a surprise. So let's do this. This is not sponsored. I pay for this myself, and it always comes with a magazine, which honestly I usually just recycle. I see a pumpkin on this box, so it is the Pure Lease Pumpkin Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. And I do like using a charcoal mask maybe once a week, and I like the ginger in there, so I am very curious to try this, and I'm glad I have that in my selection now. This is the Kris, I think that's how you pronounce that. This is a body wash, I believe, body cleanser, yes, for renew and hydrate. Well, okay, there's nothing down here that doesn't need a little renewing and rehydrating. I'm not going to take all the time to look through the ingredients right now. This is a brand I trust, so be curious what that's like. Here we have Ren Clear Skin. What is this? Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream. Alright, and on the side here it says it's got black currant seed, which is rich in omega-3, sea buckthorn berry oil, rich in omega-7, which is supposed to soften the skin, and camellia oil to replenish the skin. It's vegan and supposed to be good for sensitive skin, delicate skin, and skin affected by pollution. I'm curious if this is, it says it's a cream. Let's just take a quick look. Oh, all right, yeah. So it's a pump bottle there. That's nice. It doesn't get contaminated. And I guess when I need to rotate a new moisturizer into my morning routine, I will rotate that in. Amika conditioner. I really like the Amika products I have. Here we go. So I got Bond Repair shampoo and Bond Repair conditioner. I color my hair. I have it colored every, about 3.5 months. So my hair can certainly use this. So I'm excited to have that. Also in the hair realm is this caviar that's from Alterna. This is CC Cream Replenishing Moisture 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In. All right, it says that it provides moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and light hold. I think I had a little deluxe size of this and liked it, so I'll be curious to see if that's what I think it is. All right. Okay, Heineken 0.0. I'm having Green Death flashbacks to my college years. Now you can, oh my God. Okay, so clearly this is something they put in. I did not, it's a little teeny tiny can of Heineken, but I think it's 0 alcohol. 0 alcohol. Honestly, if I'm gonna drink a beer, I'm gonna drink a beer. I don't need 0 alcohol beer. Okay? Maybe they thought I was the right age for that. I don't know. And last but not least, an Acacia wood cheese board. All right, I vaguely recall picking most of this, which I guess is the good thing, if I believe if you have a full year subscription, you get to pick more of what you get. And since so much of it tends to be kind of lifestyle and health and wellness, I do appreciate being able to pick what I'm getting, because that way, at least if I'm not going to use it personally, I can usually think of somebody who I can give it as a gift to. Oh, this is lovely. Honestly, I can always use a nice cutting board, so I'm glad to have that. And there you go. That's it. That was fast. Subscribe. Give me a like. Show me some YouTube love. Love? How come I can't ever get that out of my mouth right? YouTube love. And have a fantastic day.